Welcome to Car Updater, your ultimate destination for the latest in the automotive world. If you love cars, stay tuned for exciting updates, reviews, and deep dives into the most thrilling vehicles hitting the roads. Today, we take a closer look at the highly anticipated 2025 Ferrari 912 GTs, a masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of performance, technology, and design. Ferrari has once again delivered a car that blends breathtaking speed with luxurious craftsmanship, making it a standout in the world of supercars. The heart of the 2025 Ferrari 912 GTs is a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine paired with Ferrari's latest hybrid technology. This combination delivers an exhilarating amount of horsepower, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. The electric assist system enhances throttle response, ensuring seamless power delivery and efficiency while maintaining Ferrari's signature raw performance. Advanced aerodynamics play a crucial role in this model, with an aggressive yet elegant design that maximizes downforce and stability at high speeds. The sleek, sculpted lines not only make the car visually stunning but also improve its overall handling and efficiency on both the track and the open road. Step inside the cockpit, and you're greeted with a luxurious yet race-inspired interior. Premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather create a high-end feel while maintaining a lightweight structure. The driver-focused digital dashboard provides real-time performance data, and the latest infotainment system ensures a connected driving experience. Ferrari has also incorporated a new generation steering wheel with integrated controls for better accessibility during high-speed driving. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Ferrari 912 GTs is engineered to provide an unmatched driving experience. The adaptive suspension system constantly adjusts to road conditions, offering a perfect balance between comfort and precision. Whether on sharp corners or long straights, this Ferrari maintains stability and control, making every drive feel like a race day experience. The improved braking system ensures instant stopping power, adding another layer of confidence behind the wheel. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Ferrari 912 GTs is its innovative hybrid system, which not only enhances performance but also contributes to better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. Ferrari has fine-tuned this technology to ensure it complements the car's aggressive nature rather than taking away from its raw, high-revving character. This makes the 912 GTs a true performance machine for the modern era. With limited production numbers, the exclusivity of the 2025 Ferrari 912 GTs makes it even more desirable among collectors and enthusiasts. Owning one of these means having a piece of Ferrari's legendary craftsmanship combined with next-level innovation. Every aspect of this car has been designed to deliver an unforgettable driving experience, whether on the streets or the track. That wraps up our look at the incredible 2025 Ferrari 912 GTs. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest car news, make sure to subscribe to Car Updater. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.